Here is a question on match the column where two lists are provided, list 1 and list 2, and we have to match the items given there. Let us view the question. The question is like this. Match the compounds in list 1, here is the list 1, with the observations in list 2 and choose the correct option. And here is the option given. 4 options are given and which is the correct option we have to find out. Now, in such cases, what we need to do is to observe carefully the list 1. List 1 consists of aniline, orthocresol, cysteine, and caprolactam. Now we need to know their structures. When we can find out their structures, correct structures, and then we can match the properties given here, or even the tests are given, analytical tests are given here, we can match them. For example, aniline. Aniline is C6H5NH2. It contains nitrogen, and therefore the fusion extract of compound are boiling with ferrous sulfate followed by acidification with concentrated sulfuric acid gives a Prussian blue color. So that way we can match aniline with option P. Not only this, we can match other properties of aniline out of these 4. And therefore we have to look at the properties of aniline are the properties of orthocresol, cysteine, and caprolactam accordingly. And then finally only we can find out which is the correct option. Now let us go through the structures of aniline, orthocresol, cysteine, and caprolactam, one after the other. Here is aniline. Well-known structure of aniline is C6H5NH2. Now aniline, as I have already told you, gives a blue color in Lassen's test due to presence of nitrogen in aniline, and therefore it matches with the list given at P. Not only this, aniline undergoes a reaction with bromine water also, which is listed in list 2 at option S and is like this. Aniline reacts with bromine water and bromine water along with water, of course, and gives a white precipitate like this. And so that is the property. So we can say that aniline in list 1 is matching with P and S of list 2. Similarly, we can match cysteine, which has the structure like this. Here again we find there is a nitrogen atom present here, NH2 group, and therefore it should match with R. And not only this, we find that COH group is also there. So wherever the carboxylic acid group is there, it forms a effervescence with sodium bicarbonate, and it matches with Q also because it has sulfur over here and therefore shows a blood red color with NaSCN. We have is caprolactam, and here is the structure of caprolactam, and we find it produces a blue color in Lassen's test due to presence of nitrogen in caprolactam. That's there. And if you look at orthocresol, this is orthocresol, we find because there is phenolic group and therefore it matches with option P, produces a violet color with neutral ferric chloride due to presence of phenolic OH group. So this way all the properties are matched, or all the analytical results or observations are matched with the compounds given here. And therefore now we can sum it up as this. Aniline matches with P and also S. Orthocresol matches with T, treating the compound with ferric chloride solution produces a violet color. Cysteine matches with sodium fusion extract with blood red color and also matches with sodium bicarbonate causing effervescence. Caprolactam matches with P, sodium fusion extract, of the compound on boiling with ferrous sulfate followed by acidification with concentrated sulfuric acid gives a Prussian blue color. So all the properties and the results of the observations are matched with the respective compounds over here. And therefore we can say accordingly, if you look at the option again, we find that option D is correct. Other options, of course, A, B, C, are wrong because something is not properly matched over here. Particular item is not matched over here, and therefore these options A, B, C are not applicable here and are incorrect. Okay, thank you. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you again.